Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, Knight of Wands, King of Wands, okay. Libra, this is your current energy, Knight of Wands, and King of Wands is your partner's current energy. So with this card, it seems like you want to take some action towards something, okay, or towards your person, but you are taking your own time to move ahead, okay. Perhaps you have some guilt in your heart, perhaps you, or it could also happen, Libra, that you are just pretending to do something for them, but the thing is that you are not doing anything, okay. You are just acting that I am doing something, I am taking some action, but you are not taking any action. Perhaps you are not yet ready to take some action or some solid action towards this person or towards this relationship, okay. Even though you have this wand in your hand, you are very energetic, you can take action, but you are choosing not to take any action. You are just giving it more and more time. Let's see what this person or how this person is going to react. Perhaps you are waiting for your person's reaction, how they are going to react on your this behavior. All right, on the other hand, we have King of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Your person is somebody who is being very calm at this point of time, okay. They have this wand in their hand. That means they have also equal opportunity to take some action, or equal chances to take some action towards you, but they are choosing to ignore you. It's simply, or it could also happen, Libra, that your person is waiting for you to take action, or perhaps they are seeing you that you are just making fool out of them, okay. You are just pretending that you are doing some action, but you are not doing. Perhaps they are seeing you from a distance, that hey, I know what you are up to. You are not going to take any action towards me, and that's completely fine. I'm also not going to take any action towards you. I have my own limitations, I have my own life, I have my own family, I have my own commitments in my life, okay. So yes, this is their current energy. Now let's see how you feel them, or what you feel them, or what you see them, and how they feel about you. The Star. You see them as somebody who has been through tough time in life, and now as per you, they are just investing their time into their own growth, into their own mental peace, okay, into their own transformation. Somehow you have this feeling in your heart and mind that even though this person has so many options in their life, but at the end they are going to choose you, okay. So you feel that the moment they'll be over with this transformation or healing process, they are definitely going to take some action towards you. On the other hand, your person feels about you that you are someone who is being very, very overburdened, okay. Perhaps you are somebody who don't have anyone at your place to work for you or to work with you. So you are someone who is completely drained, emotionally exhausted, okay. You are sad and depressed. You feel that each and everything is your responsibility, okay. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Libra, it seems like you are completely fearful, okay. You have your own fears, you have your own comfort zone, and you don't want to break that chain, okay. With this Nine of Wands card, it's completely, I would say that you are being very fearful, okay. You can leave this wand and you can just escape from this place, but you are into your own energies. You are escaping in your own energies, that you are not able to see the door is just behind your back, and that's why there is no action from your side towards your person. On the other hand, eventually your person has also shut their door for you. Okay, they are giving you this kind of feeling that, hey, I'm not available for you. If you want to talk to me, then come some other day. I have no time for you. Okay, or perhaps they are just, pretending that they are busy, that they are sleepy, that they don't have time. Deep down in their heart, they are waiting for you. But the moment you will go and talk to them, they are definitely going to shut their door on your face. They'll or or it could also happen that they are not going to entertain you. Okay, they'll pretend that, hey, I'm dead. Okay, do not expect anything from me. All right, how you or what you feel in this relationship, and what they feel in this relationship, what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. 9 of Pentacles. You are independent, you are self-sufficient, you are someone who is responsible for for your own happiness. You are blessed with all the best to best things in life. You have good home, you have good pets, you are financially stable. Okay, but the moment they have arrived in your life, you have felt the sense of emptiness, the sense of void within you, but you are being very stubborn minded. You are not going to acknowledge that. All right, on the other hand, we have 10 of Swords. It seems like your person has been through tough time in their life. With this 10 of Swords, they are going through some kind of transformation. Okay, perhaps you have ditched them, perhaps you have give them false commitments, and now they are done with your false commitments, and you have killed their emotions. It's you who has killed their love. All right, so they are going through some kind of a transformation journey, or perhaps their journey has been over. Okay, the moment you have entered into their life, their transformation journey has started, and now their journey, either they are on their transformation journey, or the journey has been stopped, or the journey has been over. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy. Death card in reverse and 10 of Pentacles in reverse, and future potential. Death card in reverse is saying to me that this relationship is not yet over, and I have got the same card on same place for Pisces as well. Are you guys dealing with some Pisces people? Okay, so we have Death card in reverse and 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So mutual energy of both of you is that you do not feel complete without each other, and I don't know what should I call it. Either it is a sad news or a good news, I don't know. The chapter of your life is not yet completed. Okay, you have to meet this person again in your life, and this person is definitely going to reappear in your life. Okay, but the thing is that both of you do not feel complete with each other, without each other. Okay, both of you know that something is there between you, but you are being very practical people. You are not acknowledging it, and yes, it's completely fine. On the other hand, we have 3 of Pentacles. This is the future potential of this reading or this relationship. It seems like, Libra, it's you who is going to take some action towards this person, or perhaps you are going to have some discussions with your family and friends that if I have to approach this person, then what should be my strategy? If I have to approach this person, what should I say to them? If I have to approach or talk to this person, what should I say? I have heard them in past, and now what else I can say to them? Okay, so it's you who is going to take a lot of counseling sessions in future. All right, Libra, now let's see what is the messages from angels for you, or how angels are advising you. How angels are advising you. Oh my god, romance. Libra, I told you that there is something in your between you and your person, that your cycle is not yet completed. Okay, you have to, this person is going to appear in your life one more time. This chapter is not yet closed, and perhaps this time, if you are approaching towards this person, this time it's going to be the last time when you are going to connect with this person, and the reunion of both of you is going to be very romantic. And it could also happen for some of you Libra that in future you guys are going to spend rest of your life together. Perhaps you decide to be together. I don't know, some romance is going to happen for you, that is for sure. All right, so some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with this Star card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Scorpio with this Death card. We have fire sign in this reading: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands, Nine of Wands, King of Wands, Ten of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with other air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Four of Swords and Ten of Swords. All right, okay. So that was your reading, Libra. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And stay home and stay safe, okay? Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.